So we receive a lot of emails about reCAPTCHA, so like how to integrate, how it works, and if there is any live example and so on. So we creating this video to show you how to uh, integrate reCAPTCHA with your form to fight spam, because whenever your form is open for all, I mean bots and spammers can spam your form and make it really terrible. So we decided to create this video so it will be easy for you to fight spam. So let's get started. We already created a form. If you have not created yet, please create a form from visiting form page and then clicking on create new button. So this is the old form. I have renamed it to reCAPTCHA. So here is the endpoint, you can say that. And to enable reCAPTCHA, I have to visit settings page of the form and then actually need to turn on. See, there is a side key and other key because I worked on it earlier. So yeah, so first of all make sure you turn on it, and then here is the site key, reCAPTCHA site key. You can obtain it from reCAPTCHA site, which is google.com/reCAPTCHA. So yeah, see, google.com/reCAPTCHA. So we are creating for labels. So we have added the URL of the site to make it easy, so we can detect the form. So we are copying the site key from here and pasting it here. It's same actually. So yeah, and then copy secret key, paste it here. Okay, then click on update. Okay, now we are ready to integrate the reCAPTCHA. So it's not done, remember that. It doesn't mean it's done. We will have some changes on reCAPTCHA form. I mean from integration, if we visit HTML with reCAPTCHA, see, then we can see there is a new div added. So this is the div. So here the site key has been added. So we have to add this site key div before the send and or submit button actually, to make sure reCAPTCHA is loaded. This will load the reCAPTCHA. Okay, so let's do this, and here is the script. See, so this is the JavaScript file that actually make reCAPTCHA work. So you have to load it on the header. I will show you in a minute to how it works. So let's see. So here I already pasted everything, but still I will show you how I have done this. See, under header I have loaded the reCAPTCHA script, which is same for all, and the submit button. See, before the submit button I have added this div, okay, reCAPTCHA div. So let me show you. It's easy to search with FormBold, I guess. So yeah. So see, this is the form actually. You can see that. So this is the form. The form starts here. Then if I go to the just before submit, okay, yeah. See, this is submit, I mean button that triggers the send, and before that I have pasted the reCAPTCHA div, and that will make reCAPTCHA fully working. And yeah, so it's time to test. Let's do this. So yeah, we have uploaded this on reCAPTCHA.pages.dev. okay, so see, I'm on the contact form area, so you can see. So I am adding such things. Okay, just demo data to test. So I'm not check marking the okay, so I have to put a valid email. So putting a valid email. Okay, so I'm clicking on sending button without clicking the reCAPTCHA button. Okay, so I mean, see, it shows reCAPTCHA error. That means it can detect that I have not checked the reCAPTCHA button, and this will not send you email, not even register a submission. So now I checked and see, wow, thanks. So that means it worked. So this is how you can integrate the reCAPTCHA. So see, the server time is different, but you can see that latest submission is 7:20. So yeah, so this is the submission that I have done recently, very recently. So that's, I think, shows how you can do this. So here is an explanation of how to get reCAPTCHA keys and introduction to the fields. So first of all, you have to click on version 3 at admin console, then you click on plus button, then you will see, you can see I gave the just a label to detect the which API. Then choose on reCAPTCHA version 2 because it is more visible, I think, so that's why. And you have to must define the domain where your site is hosted, so you have to do that. So type your domain name without https or www, so plain domain, just plain domain like this. So then you have to accept the terms and condition and click to the submit. So that will generate two keys, site key and secret key. So I think it's very easy. Still I'm covering this, so there will be no questions. So yeah, so that's it. So let me know if you have any more queries. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.